We designed, built, and programmed our RoboTrex system so that anybody can learn how to use this system and operate it within just a few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. We have our HMI touchscreen, which is going to do everything for us. Power's on, air's on. You know, the safety fence is on right now, and we have blue lights, right? So red means the safety fence is on. Blue lights means that the carts have finished parts on them. So you woke up Monday morning, you came in, you got finished parts on cart, the thing ran all weekend long, and now you want to get it going for Monday morning. So what do? First thing is we just pull the cart out. We'll exchange the workpiece materials on the vises here, and then we just put that cart right back in. As long as the door is locked now, we can reset the light curtain. We can clear the fault. I turn on cart number 1, I turn on cart number 2, and I press play. Okay, so now if I want to pause the system, I'm going to request to enter. Cart number 2 is completed, and I want to pull it out and keep running cart number 1. So I can pull out cart number 2. I go back to my screen here. Let's say again, I'm going to change out the materials on cart number 2 because it's complete, but I want the system to continue to run. So here we go. I've got cart number 1 is still on. Cart number 2 now is off. I'm going to reset my fence. It's going to give me my green flashing light. I hit that, it goes to red. I reset my fault notification, and I hit play. That robot's going to take off exactly from where it was and continue machining parts. Well, now your operator again, who saw that blue light, comes over, changes out the materials on cart number 2. Now I've changed out my materials, and I want to request to enter because I want to put cart number 2 back in the system. Gives you a green light. We've changed out our materials. We're ready to go here. So we're loading this thing up again. Now for the weekend or for the night or for third shift, I want to reset that fence again. I get my green flashing light. Boom, goes to red. Reset my fault messages and hit play. All right, to wrap things up, I want to thank you for your time, but I also want to invite you to visit our website. Go to the RoboTrex page. and hit that Contact Us button. You get in touch with us here at Metalcraft Automation Group. Our professional team is going to work through the process with you to make sure that you're getting the right system for your machines. Let us do all the work from the layout through the installation and training and keeping your spindles up and running. Our goal at Metalcraft Automation Group is to make automation easy, and that's exactly what we want to do for you. So please, again, visit the website, contact us, send me that email. I look forward to talking to you.